look at this right here. See that short signal? That's from the RLZ slingshot indicator. This setup right here, 100% based on the indicator. Look at the stop loss right here. Got the entry on the 50% fib. TP, 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 TP. This is on Bitcoin. And man, this indicator timed this drop perfectly. Look at how price hit that last TP. Just absolutely beautiful. In today's video, I'm going to give you an update on the crypto market, and I'm also going to show you how you gain access to this indicator completely free. Before we break down this trade right here and I update you on the crypto market, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you are new to the channel, my name is Jonathan. I'm a professional crypto and forex trader, and here on the RLZ Trading YouTube channel, we help you simplify your path to greatness by giving you a simple and easy trading strategy that you can use in the markets. The trading strategy that I use is called the RLZ method, and that is also what this indicator is based on. If you want to get access to this indicator, it's 100% completely free. All you have to do is click the link in the description. That will take you to the RLZ Trading Room Discord server, which is a free community, and within that community you have a channel called Exclusive Offers, and in there you will have a guide on what to do to gain complete free access to this indicator. Let me break down this idea here that I had on Bitcoin. Let's first do it without the indicator to kind of show you the type of price action that I was looking for here on Bitcoin. And if you've been following me here on this channel, I do these videos, these crypto market updates on a daily basis. So if you do want these daily short updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification button as well so you get notified whenever there's a new upload. All right, so let's remove the indicator here. Actually, I have two different indicators on here, one with signals and one without, so I only get the levels on here. So looking at the daily here, we obviously have a local top being put in on Bitcoin here from the very top here. Looking at that very top down to the bottom of that candle, we now have a 17% move to the downside on Bitcoin. You guys know that I'm watching this move right here, but I'm also watching a potential move down to the 50K region. Okay, this is based on basically what I've been saying for a while here is we got the daily 20 EMA right here, and then below we have the daily 50 EMA, and then I'm gonna mark out the weekly 20 EMA as well. And the weekly 20 EMA is right now at in a perfect area. It's right in the middle of the reload zone. It's on this 0.702, so it's just a perfect level for a retest. And you know, in a Bitcoin bull market, a move like that is not unheard of. It's, you know, you get a move like that, it's from that high down to where the weekly EMA currently is, it's a 33% move. Now let's assume that this move to the downside might take maybe 2 weeks. Well, in 2 weeks, then the EMA, the weekly 20 EMA might be on the 0.618, and we're talking about a 29 or 30% move to the downside, which is again not unheard of in a crypto bull market, and I would view that as a healthy retrace. We have the halving coming up in about 20 to 30 days, let's say 25 days or so. And we might actually have a move down leading into the halving and then a pump on the halving. Like, we don't really know what's going to happen, obviously. We can't predict the future. We can only look at price action and say that, you know what, this weekly candle, if it's going to close somewhat like this one, quite bearish, and it might be the start of a bigger move to the downside. However, the 60K region right here, where we do have right here, we have the daily 50. So I'm going to mark that one out here, and I'm going to add a daily 50 MA. So right here we have the daily 50 MA, and that is currently at 58, around 59,000. So I move down to that level. That might come today or in a couple of days. Then the 50 EMA on the daily might be up around that 60K region. So that looks very, very likely. We're currently right now testing the monthly open. That's the I would say like the first rounded retest on the monthly open on a daily basis, which kind of makes sense to see a reaction in that area, considering that it's also very, very decent horizontal level here as well. So for Bitcoin, there's a few scenarios. Again, I've closed my short on Bitcoin, and let me kind of cover what that short was all about. It was basically based on, you have an uptrend here with higher highs and higher lows. We broke that uptrend with a low, a lower high, lower low, and lower high. What I did then was add the fib from that high to that low, and here we see the RL set right here. By the way, guys, I have a free course on the RL set method. So if you do join the free community, you will get access to a course where I give an introduction to the RL set method, and with the indicator, you actually get a course for the indicator with 19 videos, a very long course explaining exactly how to use the indicator. So combined with that, you get free access to the community, you learn the RL set method, you get free access to the indicator, and you also learn how to use that indicator. Honestly, it's a lot of value for basically for free. So I added the fib here from that high to that low. We see the price comes up into the reload zone, which is this area. It also is testing the weekly open, which is a good level for a retest. The weekly and monthly open, they usually act as good horizontal levels. And then we have that rejection right here. We have that bearish engulfing candle closing below the 50, and that is the signal to go short, as you can see here with the indicator as well. And then the target would be around the monthly open, as you can see right here. Initially, I wanted my target to be on 60k, but then seeing that the monthly open is the perfect level right here, confluent with this support, like low time frame support level to the left here, that was just the best target. And then of course you just hit that last TP based on the indicator as well. Very, very nice. So yeah, that's the setup on Bitcoin. Now I'm also in a few altcoin positions, and you can see here where I do have these right here. These are the trade, this is the trade setup channel. Here's the BTC short, but I also have a lot of different altcoin positions that we are waiting to get filled on. This is Start, we got AXS, Atom, Sand, to name a few. Let's go through the list of the altcoins that I'm currently watching right now. We got Cardano, ADA or ADA, or whatever you want to call it. Let's just call it the shitcoin of the shittiest shitcoins, Cardano. Right, so this is based on a weekly time frame right here, where basically we put the fib, and this is all the altcoins that I'm watching is going to be the same type of price structure and price action. We add from that low to this high right here, and we get the reload zone down in this area, and that's what I based this Cardano setup on. And I'm looking for this to continue higher post halving, most likely, when we do hopefully get the continuation of the current bull market. We got ADA, Cardano, and then we have Algo. Again, all of these setups are in the Discord, completely free. Just check out the link. And then we are also filled on Algo, basically the same type of market structure. We are also filled on Sand, which is actually right now in profit, which is it's amazing. We're in profit. It's the same structure right here. And then we have Atom. I don't think Atom is filled. No, Atom did not get filled. It got very close to our entry. But again, if Bitcoin is going to continue lower, Atom will get filled. Same thing with AXS. I believe AXS is not filled. It's not filled, but we'll probably see that getting filled if Bitcoin drops lower. These are obviously long-term bags. This is the 10-hour trade. We're risking about 37% to gain 400%. So obviously a long-term bag, best traded with 2x leverage, or most likely the best option for most of you when trading altcoins would just be spot trading, not leverage trading. And then we have DOT here, which we're looking at as well. I have not posted trade ideas for these, but I'm also looking to enter orders for EOS, Phil. Is it Phil? Is this Filecoin? I believe this might be Filecoin. And then we have Mana as well. I'm going to be posting some orders on Mana. And I think you can see what I'm looking for here. I'm basically, we're going to be adding that fib right here. And actually, oh, you know what? It actually did hit the 0.618 here perfectly. So that should have been a fill. Well, too bad I missed the entry on that one. I have to kind of fill. I probably have to add orders in this area again. For that move lower. I don't want to get a bad entry. And V-Chain here, also a very good test of the bacon retest of the high time frame level. And then we're looking at XTC. Is this Tesos? I believe this might be Tesos, right? Same thing here. We're adding the let's go to the weekly. We're going to be adding the this is honestly, this is a bit complicated. I'm not really sure where to add the fibs, but I mean, you look at this and this is a better obvious setup right here. Break and retest at that level right here for a move higher. And the way I would trade this is probably have stop loss somewhere around that area, and then TP would probably be up around these areas right here. All right, so that's what I'm looking at currently. Let's go back to Bitcoin to kind of do a recap of what we're looking at on Bitcoin. What would show bullish, like confirmation of a bullish market structure again? Well, we now have a bounce on the monthly open right here. What I would like to see is, the first thing I want to see is a reclaim of the daily 20 EMA, which is right here. So a reclaim of the daily 20 EMA, that would be the first sign of strength. If we can't look for, if we can't get a reclaim of the daily 20 EMA, I'm still looking for a move lower, and the first level is daily 50 EMA, and then below is the weekly 20 EMA. And the reason why I'm using the EMAs as target, it's not just because of the fact that they are EMAs and they're good EMAs to watch. It's because they are confluent with high time frame supply and demand areas, and that's basically the focus here. I just like the fact that the EMAs are in good confluence with these levels, and it's just adding to the chance of getting that move to the downside. Right, that's today's update. See you guys tomorrow for another one. Take care.